Like, this system is the system I want to keep dealing with. Man. How do we even manage to deal with our system back in Nigeria?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another video, like another updated video. It is approximately 9 a.m. in the morning. Tomorrow is the 3rd of January. I still live alone and school opens tomorrow, but my lecture starts on the 5th of January. So this is like an updated video. I haven't arranged my kitchen stuff yet, like the things I brought to Canada from Nigeria. I haven't unpacked them to the kitchen, so I guess that's what I want to do right now. And hi guys, if this is your first time on my video, I haven't properly introduced myself. My name is Arima. I'm an international student from Nigeria, studying and living in Canada right now. I recently moved into Canada. I moved on the 19th of December. That light is censored, so like it comes on when it senses that someone is coming in and on. I guess you guys might have seen that on my house tour video, which I will be linking up here. So if you haven't seen that, you can just click on the link and watch that, maybe, or after watching this one, anyways, or anyhow you want to do that. The thing is, I haven't gotten all the storage containers and proper storage plates for some of the items I brought, so I don't really know how to store them right now. That was why I've been skeptical about arranging my stuff, but I know along the line or within this month I will do where to get them. I'll definitely get those storage containers. I didn't know if I could find spatula. So my mom got me this spatula for making, you know, semo, gari. I mean, for making semo and all of this stuff. Swallow, literally. So I came with spatula, and I also came with salsa. I came with this too, so I can make my swallow. I don't want wahala. I just finished registering for the remaining 2 courses that I wanted to register for, because I had to send mails to the professors or the lecturers for those courses telling them that there were no more space for their classes if they could allow 1 more student, and they responded to my mail saying that is fine. So I just got another mail from them saying I can register for the course right now, which is what I tried to do with my system. Yeah, I just did that. Today I actually do not have much to do today. I've been saying this, guys, I've been procrastinating on this particular issue. I've been saying that I might go to the stores to get plastics like storage for my kitchen, or like basically things I need to store my food stuff, and to get some other items I will need in my room. I've been procrastinating. I just need a very good day. I guess the reason I haven't been able to do all of those stuff is because I haven't gotten my one card and I haven't gotten my SIM card yet. So transporting myself or commuting to these various stores will be a little bit difficult because I don't know where the stores are yet, and I need my phone to navigate like with the maps to be able to show where these particular stores are. The moment I come out from my house without no SIM card, no internet connection, this phone becomes as good as useless. So that's one of the major reasons as to why I still find myself in this house without doing those things I want to do yet. So, but I'm pretty much sure that since school is opening tomorrow, I'll go to school, get my one card, get my bus pass cards, so I can be able to transport myself here and there. And also I'll get my SIM card in school, and the rest will become history. I'll be able to achieve as much as I want to. Hey guys, so this is an update video. I am currently at the University of Alberta, one of the departments or many offices or many buildings, right? I came to get my one card and my bus pass card. Just climbed in from there and I'm heading towards the one card office, although there are several offices there. So let's go. I am so cold and tired, but we move. The one card is just ahead, a couple of minutes ahead. So this is the one card office. Enter. So wait for my time. Coming down here. I guess I'm next. Hi. Morning. Yes, I just got my ACK card and my one card. This is my ACK card for transit, and this is my one card, which is my school ID. There you go. And that's my name. Yep. So I'm ready to go. Bye. Exit. Oops. So I'm heading out right now. You guys, it was so swift. I didn't even spend up to like 2 minutes. It was so fast. And now I'm like, how do we even manage to deal with our system back there in Nigeria? Because those people would literally waste your time and still feel like they're right. Like, they would waste your time and make you feel like you're on the wrong, and then they think it's crazy. You will come very early, they would not open the office when they are supposed to open the office, and when they eventually do that, they still delay and still claim to be right. It's crazy. But here they are already in the offices at the exact time they said they were gonna be there. Not just that, they're so efficient and so fast. Like, that was how fast they were. I mean, I just came in less than 2 minutes, I was done. Like, this system is the system I want to keep dealing with. I mean, so I'm heading back, right? And I need to get my SIM card officially today. So guys, I want to get my SIM card. I'm at this mall, King's Mall. Stop confusing me.
Let's go from there.
Okay.
Yeah. The one going up.
Guys, I just got my SIM card. Yay! I got like the most amazing plan. For now, I don't know. So along the line, I will decide if to continue or if to change. And yeah, we actually checked out about 3 different phone plans, and I ended up with this one. So it's time to go home right now. Thank you. So we're done for today. Catch you guys later.
Oh, sorry.
Nah, it's fine. We move. We're done. And I have a phone number. Finally, after how many days in Canada? So all of you that be waiting for my phone number, get ready. You see it on your DMs right now. Oopsie. Came to get my stuff for the vets. Pillows. Oh, these are nice. 30, 20. So this is how I can get pillows.
So anything with a red tape is on sale for this price.
This one's nice. What the cost is? $29. I like this one for this pretty thong. Guys, I'm looking for extra pillows. Trying to get like aquarium piece, like those designs you find in the aquarium, and there are a lot of nice ones, stones, sticks, you know, all of this flower plants and grass plants. And the most amazing is all the like these sea ships and boats that like just to show that these boats have long like what's the word, long falling into the sea. And then at first I was wondering why they're all broken, but then I'm like, okay, you know, the longer they stay in the water, the more they tend to decompose and all of those stuff. And these are the monsters of the sea, like sea trolls, sea animals with their skulls. Ooh, it's quite nice. And parrot head. You guys, well, this fish has been this. Wow, this is what it looks like. How does it even feed? Oh wow, oh wow. It just attached itself to the glass. Oh, nice, nice. It's actually seeing me right now. It's like all over the place. Ooh. Wow. Look at this one. This eye is like, what in the name of love? Guys, in the end we were able to come up with these designs. We got all of this from the aquarium store. We got this fish exactly. I think its function is to clean the glass and the dirt on the stones. So I think they are like dirty feeders. I totally forgot what they call them from the store. Yeah, so this is the tank. We got these plants, we got this, they're all artificial. We got this, we got like a we got like a wood stuff, but it wasn't moving to the bottom of the tank. It was floating, so we took it out. And we got all these fishes. We got this beautiful fish, but like there were other predators in the tank. There was this predator fish in the tank that ate it all up, so we took that one out, and this is what's left of the fish. Yeah. And yeah, this is just like the design we got for the tank, right? Tell me what you guys think about what we came up with, if it's nice. There are 3 bottom feeders. There's one, it's like an albino right there, right there, and there are others. I think, okay, there you go, there's one of them there. Yeah guys, so let me know what you think. If you think this is a beautiful aquarium tank, do let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.